today. SMX exhibition. Phil Beck. About build and construction in the Philippines. Very nice presentation there.
I scan, sir.
You scan, ma'am? There we go.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat, ma'am.
Salamat.
Salamat, chief. So, this is about homes and buildings, and if you're looking for properties, you can go to places like Davis, who do paints, or Mondu is another paint brand. So today it's Pimp My Home in the Philippines. You built this nice little concrete or this little block. Oh, look at that. Solar. Very nice. Solar hut.
Solar water heater.
Hello, ma'am. Salamat. Lights.
Hi, sir.
Oh, look at that. I'm mugged. Hello, ma'am. Kumusta ka? Oh.
Lights and furniture, sir.
Oh, hello. Nice to see you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. We have a showroom, sir.
A what?
Showroom, store.
Where is your store?
Over near Andes Acacia Hotel. Acacia, sir. Over
Oh,
here.
near Bank of Commerce. JP L'Oreal.
What?
JP L'Oreal.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
there we go.
Along the Lanang, sir.
Yeah, going down.
Yes,
Past.
sir. Are you a vlogger, sir?
I am, ma'am. Yeah.
Are you a vlogger?
Look, see, look, there we go. Look, hello, guapa, booby. She's
Hello.
waving. Look like this.
Hi, sir.
Hold
What
on,
is
ma'am.
your name, sir?
Gary Neal.
Gary. Now,
Wait,
will you
wait,
please
that-
write your name, sir, here?
Oh, ma'am, I cannot see that. Here we go. You do that.
You are calling card.
They're very nice ladies. So, Hotech. They've got a store. You can get screwdrivers. Don't know if they're any good. So, what's this one here? Kano Coffee. So you can have a coffee shop in your house. Very nice. I don't think they get vloggers coming to these. Nice IT, huh? Salamat kuya. There's Davao. So you have Davao Tourism Circles.
Yes.
Very nice, ma'am. Okay.
Hi, sir. I'll give you some tips. This is for...
And who are you, ma'am?
My name is Joanne.
This is Joanne.
Yeah.
I'm walking around and she just comes up and accosts me while I'm walking around. What do you do?
I'm sorry.
What is
I
it?
would like to introduce our company, our electronic services.
And what is it?
This is for CCTV and electronic weighing scale.
Electronic weighing scales.
Yes.
Okay, put
I'll
here.
give this one to you.
Please, ma'am. Yeah.
Just
Oh.
contact us, sir.
Okay, salamat. Thank you very much. You just walking around?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There we go. She's doing weighing scales. She's just walking around, giving away flyers.
Hi, sir. Chocolate, sir.
DTI, Davao City. There we go. Chocolate.
Yes, sir. We have free taste there, sir.
You have free taster?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wait there. You say again.
Sir?
This young lady is selling chocolate. Davao chocolate. You need to come here and you need to buy their chocolate. I would eat the chocolate, but I'm a diabetic. And I have a mask. So, which is your favorite chocolate, ma'am?
Dark chocolate, sir.
Which one is that? This one?
Here, sir.
Okay, let's
5%.
5% what? Chocolate or fat?
65%
Chocolate?
dark chocolate.
No, 65.
Yes,
Okay.
65%.
Yummy. Yum.
We have milk, sir.
No milk. I'm
No
okay.
milk.
No. So where are you? In Davao City.
In Binugaw, Toril.
What is the address?
Sir?
Your address? Binagi,
Binugaw.
Binagaw,
Binugaw, Toril.
to real.
Yes.
Okay. And you make the chocolate in Davao?
Yes, sir.
Very, very nice, ma'am.
Thank you po.
Okay. Wait there, ma'am. What is your name, Kuya?
Ray, sir.
Ray? Okay. And ma'am, what is your name?
Ann.
Anne?
Yes.
Yes, Paul. Okay.
Yes, sir. Ann.
Just Anne. Okay, ma'am. This is my name.
Gary Neal.
Yeah. And this is for YouTube. So you want to take down my name,
Okay, sir.
you can see you
I'll
on
search.
YouTube. You search. So they do buko pie, a pie, do pie bases, they do honey, they do drinking chocolate. So there's Anne. Kuya. ¿Cómo está? Yeah. So chocolate from Davao in Toril. Tastes really, really nice.
See you, sir. This
What do
one?
you, is it green?
Yes.
Does this look like me?
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go, ma'am.
I'll subscribe.
You will be on YouTube tonight. Okay? Salamat.
Thank you.
Need to come and buy chocolate. Chocolate is really, really nice. Really nice. So it does building, does fruit, Samal Island, it's doing about mangosteen.
Yes.
Oh, no,
170.
no pomelo. I come back later. I do this. Salamat. So they're doing slippers. So you got tourism organisation for Korea. Oh, look at that, Korea. Chocolate. Cocoa Crisps. Davao City. One, two, three, four. Guapa. Hello. Tourism. It started off as building and it's got into tourism. Oh look, there's art for your house. That looks really nice. Hello, Kuya. Durian. Oh, cup of coffee. Ma'am, nosebleed. Local artist. Yeah. Okay. How much is the mango?
This is the price.
50,000? 50,000 peso. I cannot read this. And this one?
25.
25,000 peso. Okay, so this is 200 pounds. Very nice. It's like The Godfather, isn't it? Wake up with a horse in your bed. Yeah. Water lilies. Nymphs doing their washing. Oh, there's an angelic young lady. Oh, a classic. A Volkswagen Beetle. Is it a 60 or a 59? Don't know. Here, it's the Philippine Eagle. Well, the Philippine Eagle's been spotted up in Buda, up in Bukidnon. 2 breeding pairs. That's the first time. So it's quite nice. Last time I was here, it was all about food. Today, it's half about food and half about building. So, solar lights. So if you're going to come to the Philippines and you're looking for solar power, you can get it. If you're looking for solar heaters, you can get it.
Maybe you are looking for room accommodation, sir.
And who are you?
I'm Girly, sir, from Red Planet Hotels Davao.
You're girly?
Yes, sir. I'm Girly.
Girly.
Yes, sir. If you want
Red Planet
Yes.
on JP
We have
L'Oreal.
trip, around Philippines like Manila. In the Mindanao, sir, we have 2 branches. Cagayan de Oro and then Davao. We have in Visayas din po. Cebu City.
Cebu.
Yes.
Okay. Salamat, girly.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Maybe you have plan to...
Oh, look. So we have girly, and now we have boily.
No, sir. I'm Jay.
You're Jay.
Jay.
Okay, as in the capital J.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice to see you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah,
By the way, sir, do you have any plans to travel in the Philippines?
You want to explore in the
Yes, sir.
Philippines? We have...
Since today, sir, we offer a lot of special rates because we have different branches here in the Philippines.
Yeah,
Have you been in Red Planet, sir, before?
yeah.
Where, sir?
I have been to Red Planet on JP L'Oreal.
GP Laurel. Okay.
Yeah,
So we're in Escalana.
I have been to Tagum, Mati, Surigao, Butuan, Leyte, Samar,
So you have
Quezon,
been in
Manila.
Palawan or Boracay or Batanes?
Yeah, and Puerto Princess, and
Yes.
Bohol, and Mindoro, and Mindanao, and
So
Zamboanga.
maybe whole Philippines,
Oh no,
right?
you stay because you look very, very pretty, girly,
thank you.
on the vlog. Yeah,
Thank you.
that's okay, ma'am. You'll be on the vlog. See,
Hello, vlog. Hello, vlog.
hello, vlog. This is girly
Yes.
at JP at
Nice
Red
to
Planet.
meet you all.
There we go.
By the way, sir, what is your vlog? Do you have any
Your
vlog?
page.
Page, your page.
So, German, French, American designed toilets, baby toilets, urinals. Oh my God, I've kept away from there because that is too bright. Oh dear me. Oh, there's another foreigner. Generators, sale, Langan Davao City, tools for only 999 peso. Altair Louvain. Metal. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Kumusta? So you got a white frame, you got a black frame. So it's called Palmer Louvres. Yeah, by Breezeway.
Breezeway is an Australian company.
It's Australian? There we go. Lets a nice cool air in with all the dust. So you end up doing all the cleaning. And mum, this one's got the mosquito net. That's what I like. So how much is the windows?
I'm not the one doing the quotation for the audience here because we have our partner Halifax from Davao. I am Manila based and I'm the distributor
Okay.
mechanism. So if you want your items to be quoted, you can contact Halifax directly.
What's the name?
Halifax.
Halifax.
Yeah.
Halifax, Davao City.
Correct.
What is the telephone number?
It's 0963-370-5404.
There we go. So this young lady comes from Manila, this comes from Davao, and you can phone Halifax and they'll come round and give you a quote on updating your windows. They look very, very nice. Salamat, mum. Hi, kuya. Kumusta ka? Night night. Oh, coffee machines. So if you want to sit around and have a really, really good cup of coffee in your house and you don't really want 3 in 1, you can get DeLonghi, you can get Chimbale. Very nice. Got a milk frother. Then you turn around and pop this, put your coffee in the little puck, close it back up, press it, water, industrial. Very, looks nice. Oh, look at this. What do we have here? Makata. So you have hoovers, power tools. Hello ladies, how are you? There we go. So you have routers and you have power, you have lights, drills, grinders, cutters, jigsaws, wood saws. Look at that. Oh dear me. If you're going to build a house, come here. Oh, lawnmower. I don't know why you want this. I don't see a lot of people having lawns in the Philippines. They love to have stones. Yeah. I used to have one like this back in the UK, a Honda. It cost me about $600. Really, really good. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Kumusta ka?
Merong store po dyan, sir.
Oh, look at that. There's a horse. There's gateway. Wow. So gateway does tiles. Hello, Mom. Big tire, huh?
Yes.
Oh my God. Yeah. No, I have a Honda Click. Okay for Honda Click? No. Salamat kuya. So it's Avaya Towers. They're still trying to sell places in Avaya Towers. There we go. Still trying to sell condos. People don't. There's no tourists coming here, and the condominiums are just so expensive now. So you got skim, basta, skim coat, sem coat. So it's for the outside of your house. Some of the houses here, you definitely need to paint the outside. It's architecture, tiles. Well, the reason I've come here is I'm looking for an architect, or I'm looking to find out the rules on building a house. It's not that I'm going to build a house this week or next week, but maybe next year I can turn around and look at getting somebody to design something for me. Oh, look, there's the first tank, the water tanks, crusher. Oh, dear me, bone crusher. So if you get a house, you need to surround and get a water tank to store water, because if the water supply goes out, you've got nowhere storing water. The world of architecture. Oh, okay. Far East. I think they're all into big buildings. I'm not going to go there. Quinol Chan, no. Give that a miss. Home Lift Solutions. Hello, Mom. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
What do you do?
Sir, this is our, we are a group of architects and interior designers, sir.
Where are you based?
In Manila, Makati City.
Makati.
Yes, you're based in Davao? Ah,
I've
okay.
just spoken to an architect here. They got a nice single level house that they can build for 1.8 million. And I'll have a chat with the lady. So it's very, very good. I'm very impressed. What I do find difficult to understand, oh good Christ, look at that, Verdun Park. Now that is a fan, isn't it? Wow. You could put that in a one wall on your house. Yeah? It's amazing. I don't know what this stuff is. Cutters, it looks like. Looks like a floor scrubber. Oh no, that's a cutter. That's a metal blade. Don't get any tail fans. Wow. I'm very impressed here. What I do find, oh here we go, Pacific Cross, health insurance. Not cheap. What I do find is that when you actually explain to people here what you're looking for, they don't actually listen. Like I said to the woman, that if I'm looking to build something, it needs to be on a single level. It doesn't need to be on two levels. It needs to be on a single level. And then she turns around and she goes, how many floors? Well, it wants to be on a single level. It wants to be a flat, single level, because my eyesight isn't getting any better. So why would I want to turn around and build a 2-story or 3-story property when I can't get up the stairs or I can't see what's going on? So yeah, I was so prefab warehousing, smart houses. This is the other one I was looking at. They actually do container homes, but those little containers, there's one in here and there's one there and there's one there and one there, they're 65,000 peso, £1,000, which is a lot of money to buy a container. It doesn't include any of the fittings, it just comes as a white shell with a door and a window. So tile bonding, you can find all this stuff.
This one? Alright, sige sir.
Is this yours?
Yeah, it's ours. Not mine, but
You have paint?
we
What's
don't
this?
have any paints.
Oh,
We don't have any paints.
save the money.
Alright.
Give me discount.
This is giveaway.
1 peso.
Giveaway.
No, nothing giveaway. Nothing's free. Salamat. Sealing, gap filling, finishing, insulating and flooring. ABC. Innovative building materials. Very, very nice. What I haven't seen here is roofing. Steels. Nothing for roofs. Thing that goes on the top of your house. Globe International. Davao Tourism. All home. Oh, I only tripped over there. Nice tiles. Nice finish. But it's today, isn't it? Keep it classic. Then you don't end up having an unfashionable house in 5 or 6 years' time. Alright, there's a little walk around the building and the food show. Thank you, Chief. really excited. It's like a nightclub. It's time for me to get out of here. Let's go get something to eat.